Hey, this is Joe from Soundboard. Today I want to give a LinkedIn playbook to use your public post on LinkedIn and a little research in order to grow your connections every single day. Let me share my screen. All right, here I am on LinkedIn. And again, as a salesperson, I sell to people who are interested in artificial intelligence. That is a topic that is a very common topic amongst people that I sell to. So I'm going to first, step one, go search using my Soundboard extension. This is what we call search mode. I'm going to type in the word AI for artificial intelligence. Once I hit enter, it brings back many articles around artificial intelligence, the latest and greatest. Soundboard is going out and searching all these various publications. I'm going to choose one. Here's one around tech leaders that highlight military AI and 5G investments. I'm going to click on that article. You can see here it comes from VentureBeat, a great publisher. Over on the left, you're going to see several suggested messages that I can use to go post this. I'm going to look at, here's the first one, 5G networks will form the connective tissue between AI platforms, right? I'm going to click on that suggested message, which it's given me with the right hashtags. I'm going to quickly click on LinkedIn. I'm going to click on share in a post. The suggested message is pasted. And then I'm going to click post, right? Now let's go look at that post. It took literally a minute or two, right? That post is now on my wall publicly. So that's step one, right? Go find a topic that's relative to to the people that you sell to, right? Now I'm going to go look for people, right, to connect to after I've posted that. So I'm going to go back to my home page. Step two is go to LinkedIn, type in the word AI, hit enter. You can then select people. Now this is now bringing back people that are connected or have the word AI on their profiles. I'm going to further go in and grab my second connections because my first connections I'm already connected to. So now I've narrowed it down to people who are interested in AI, and it also are my second connections, people I'm not connected with. I can further drill this down into San Francisco or whatever your locale is. And now I've narrowed this into people interested in artificial intelligence that are not my first connections, they're second connections, and people that live in San Francisco, right? And then I can scroll down and look at different people. Here's a gentleman, Amplify.ai, wonderful company. I can look at this gentleman's profile, and once I hit connect, I'm done, right? Hit a send invitation. You can put a note or you don't have to. I think it depends because what we want is that gentleman, right, and everybody else that loves AI that I connect to come to my home page and see that I've posted about artificial intelligence. And let's go back to my post. So the goal is step one, go find a topic that's interest to the people that you sell to, post it from Soundboard. Number two, go find people by searching LinkedIn around that same topic, such as AI. It will bring back those people. You can filter in very specifically as much as you want, and then hit connect and send a note. We always recommend that. And again, those people are going to be more likely to connect with you because they're going to come back to your page, as with my page here, and see that you are talking about artificial intelligence. Again, it's about being relevant and being credible. Enjoy.